let us watch some nice techniques which makes hysteroscopy real pleasure. Sometimes there is adhesions at the level of the internal os which obstruct entering the cavity, whether by dilator or by the hysteroscopy sheath. And sometimes you go into a false track. Stand before the adhesions and use the fluid pressure to do hydrodissection and open the way gradually until you enter the cavity. And then we have the pathology inside, which is a small endometrial polyp. And please look at this endometrium. As I always repeat it, gynecologists should have a well-trained eyes to look at the endometrium and identify the nature. By time and repeated the frequent examination of the uterine cavity, you will be able to know the pattern of the endometrium. It is proliferative or secretory, hyperplastic, or atrophic, like this one. This is a case of repeated failure IVF because of poor endometrium, and also they had some problem in entering the cavity because of the ischial adhesions. So the purpose of this procedure is to release the adhesions, remove the polyp, and do PRP injection with my technique that you will love it, to ensure the PRP action at the level of the base of the endometrium. Let's see the procedure and learn more about hysteroscopy. Using the scissors in hysteroscopy requires training about how to rotate and use the blades not only to cut, but as you see here, to retract, okay? Because you cannot insert more than one instrument in hysteroscopy. So you need an instrument to cut and to push, another instrument to push the pathology to one side, so you can reach all the angles around the polyp. So again, rotating the blades, as you see here, it's a very nice trick. It helps to push and get the polyp away from the view, and then you can reach the area to cut. So this is the polypectomy, cutting the polyp from the base. And again, this is the real-time procedure. Enjoy it until we go to the next nice procedure, which is PRP. Once the polyp is free, it starts to dance and rotate inside the cavity. How you do this? It's by using the fluid jet to hit the fundus, and then the turbulence will make the polyp dancing like this. Now, this is the needle for injection of PRP. It is the conventional ovum pickup needle that used in IVF for oocyte retrieval. It goes from the operative channel. The diameter is the same 5 French, so it can go very nicely and simply from the operative channel. And the technique that I developed some times ago, and thanks God, is working very well so far. The preliminary results is promising. The conventional PRP technique is to push it into the uterine cavity, same like IUI, as if flushing the uterine cavity with the platelet-rich plasma. But here, we inject the PRP underneath the endometrium. My dear friends, I hope you find my tips valuable. That's Osama Shawki from Egypt. Thank you very much.